10 Korean actors with their real-life fathers. 1. Kim Woo Bin. Kim Woo Bin subsequently gained attention in A Gentleman's Dignity, 2012, and made his breakthrough with School 2013 and The Heirs. In 2016, he took on his first leading role on television in Uncontrollably Fond. Also in 2022, Kim co-starred in acclaimed screenwriter No Hee-kyung's television series Our Blues and in Netflix original series Black Knight. Kim Woo Bin's father owns a coffee business in their hometown of Jeonju. I read a few months back that the most of the decorations had been taken down. 2. Lee Jong-suk. Lee Jong-suk's father is Lee Ha-kyu. His father was extremely harsh with him as a child, and he was forced to pursue taekwondo, among other talents, until he earned a black belt. Lee's breakthrough role was in While You Were Sleeping. He is also well known for his roles in I Can Hear Your Voice, Doctor Stranger, Pinocchio, Romance is a Bonus Book and Big Mouth. 3. Kim Hyun-jung. Kim Hyun-jung is a South Korean actor, singer and songwriter. He is a member of the boy band SS501 and played roles in the Korean dramas Boys Over Flowers and Playful Kiss. Kim Hyun-jung's parents, the father Kim Hong-sug and the mother. 4. Kim Soo-hyun. Kim Soo-hyun's biological father is Kim Chung-hoo and was the lead singer of the 80s band Seven Dolphins. His parents separated when he was very young, therefore he considered himself as an only son raised in a single mother family. He played roles in the Korean dramas Knock Off, 2025, Queen of Tears, One Ordinary Day, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Hotel de Luna. 5. Bayon Woo-seok. Bayon Woo-seok born on 31st October 1991. He gained widespread popularity for his portrayal as Ryu Sanjay in television series Lovely Runner, 2024. He also starred in the film 20th Century Girl, 2022, and the series Record of Youth, 2020, and Strong Girl Namsoon, 2023. A photo of Bayon Woo-seok with his dad, Bayon Jamin. Woo-seok was 25 here and his dad was 58. 6. Lee Min-ho. Lee Min-ho he gained widespread fame with his role as Go Junpyo in Boys Over Flowers, 2009, which also earned him the Best New Actor television trophy at the 45th Baeksang Arts Awards. His other notable works are television series City Hunter, 2011, The Heirs, 2013, The Legend of the Blue Sea, 2016, and The King, Eternal Monarch, 2020, and films Gangnam Blues, 2015, and Bounty Hunters, 2016. Lee Min-ho raised by Buddhist parents, he is the younger one of two children. Lee Min-ho with his father. 7. Jung Il-woo. Jung Il-woo born on 9 September 1987. Jung Il-woo's father is Mr. Jung Hae-woo. He was a former television news anchorman. And at one point Jung Il-woo was thinking of following in his dad's footsteps and enrolled at the Seoul Institute of the Arts, then later dropped out and transferred to the theatre and film department of Hanyang University, graduating on 20th February 2014. 8. Song Joong-ki. Song Joong-ki is famously close with his family. Song Joong-ki's father Song Yong-guk. He is middle child of 3 siblings. Joong-ki's sister Song Seul-ki and Song Joong-ki's older brother, Song Sing-ki. He rose to fame in the historical coming-of-age drama Sung Kyung-kwan Scandal and the variety show Running Man, 2010 to 2011, as one of the original cast members. Since then, he has played a diverse roles in the television series The Innocent Man, 2012, Descendants of the Sun, Arthur Chronicles, Vincenzo. 9. Lee Joon-ho. Lee Joon-ho is a famous South Korean singer and the image of 2PM Lee Joon-ho with his parents attending the wedding of his sister 7 years ago. Some photos of the wedding ceremony of actor Lee. Lee is a member of the South Korean boy band 2PM. Lee made his acting debut in the film Cold Eyes, 2013, and since then he has starred in notable television series such as Good Manager, 2017, Rain or Shine, 2017 to 2018, King the Land, 2023. 10. Cha Eun-woo. Cha Eun-woo is a South Korean singer and actor under the label Fantasio. He is a member of the South Korean boy band Astro. As an actor, he is best known for his role as Lee Soo-ho in Alongside Moon Jae-in True Beauty. Cha Eun-woo with his father. 11. Yuk Suk-jae. Yuk was born on 2nd May 1995 in Yongin, Gyeonggi Province. He has one older sister. Yuk comes from a business family. His father is the CEO of an IT corporation that deals with semiconductors. His grandfather was the first to introduce red carp in South Korea, while his grandmother operated a fishing farm in Paju. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.